Hi everyone, I'm Carl. Welcome back to the Renko Trading channel. Before we start, this content is for educational and experimental purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Many traders spend most of their time searching for the perfect entry signal. But even a great entry can turn into a bad trade if the position size is too large. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is risking too much on a single position. And when you combine that with leverage or margin, the results can be even worse. In this video I'm going to show you how I calculate position size when trading Renko charts using a simple formula based on brick size and stop distance. This approach helps keep risk consistent and removes a lot of the guesswork from trading decisions. Let's start with a simple question. Before entering a trade, how much money are you willing to lose if the trade fails? Professional traders usually start with this number first. For example, imagine an account size of $10,000. If you risk 1% of the account per trade, your maximum loss would be $100. This means that no matter what trade you take, your risk should stay around that same level. Position sizing is simply the process of adjusting the trade size so that the risk stays consistent. One of the advantages of Renko charts is that price movement becomes easier to measure. Instead of dealing with candles that vary in size, Renko charts build bricks based on a fixed price move. That means the distance between entry and stop loss can be measured in bricks. And once you know the brick size and the number of bricks to your stop loss, calculating trade size becomes much easier. The formula itself is actually very simple. Position size equals risk per trade divided by risk per unit. In Renko trading, risk per unit is calculated using the brick size and the stop distance. Risk per unit equals brick size multiplied by the number of bricks to the stop. Let's walk through an example. Let's say your account is $10,000. You decide to risk 1% per trade. That means your maximum loss is $100. Now imagine you are trading a Renko chart with a brick size of $2. And your stop loss is 2 bricks away from the entry. $2 multiplied by 2 bricks gives you a $4 risk per share. Now divide your total risk by that number. $100 divided by $4 equals 25 shares. That means a position size of 25 shares keeps the trade aligned with your risk plan. Another thing to understand about Renko charts is confirmation timing. A Renko brick only forms after price moves enough to meet the brick size requirement. Because of that, signals sometimes appear after a portion of the move has already happened. That delay is actually part of what helps filter noise in Renko charts. But it also means traders should avoid oversizing positions when price has already moved significantly. Position sizing helps protect you from that situation. Margin and leverage can make position sizing even more important. In forex and crypto markets, traders often control very large positions using borrowed capital. While leverage can increase potential returns, it also magnifies losses. If position size is calculated incorrectly, a relatively small price movement can cause a much larger loss than expected. That's why combining leverage with disciplined position sizing is critical. Here are some common mistakes traders make with position sizing. Ignoring brick size when calculating risk. Using the same trade size across different markets. Moving stop losses after entering the trade. And risking too much capital on a single position. When position sizing is calculated before the trade, these mistakes become much easier to avoid. Renko charts are designed to simplify price movement. Position sizing should follow the same philosophy. By combining account risk, brick size, and stop distance, you can create a consistent framework for managing risk. This doesn't guarantee profits, but it can help protect your capital and improve long-term consistency. That's a wrap on today's breakdown. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more Renko trading insights. Don't forget the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.